Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss one more important topic, that is selection shot. In our previous video, we have seen that I discussed about bubble shot, how we can use bubble shot to sort array. In this video, I will show you how to sort array using selection shot. The selection shot is more optimized technique than a bubble shot. So let's start with the code. So I'm going to make a class. And inside the class we have a main method. We need a size of an array to declare an array. Inside this for loop I am going to take the input for this array. So after that we need two for loops to go through all the elements in this array. The inside for loop should go from I to n, and outside the inner for loop I am declaring a variable called minimum index, min index. So I, and inside this if condition, if any jth element is less than the array, we will change our min index to j. So in our bubble shot we are just check the condition inside the for loop, and we are swapping the element inside the inner for loop. So in selection shot we are basically swap the element outside this inner for loop. So our swapping is done. Now we need to print this array. Hope it will work. Let's see. So outside these two for loop, I need to print, and for print and loop, one more loop. And hope this will work, and it will it should work, I think. Let's check. So for that I am taking the array size as 5. Input 431. So you can see it is printing in ascending order. It is working fine. And if we want to in the descending order, then just do the reverse here inside the if condition, and it will be working fine. Let's check. You can see it is working fine. So in ascending or descending, both you can print. And this is our selection shot technique. This is more optimized that bubble shot technique. So hope if you understand this, and thank you for watching this video. And if you want to more videos like that, then comment in the comment section, and I will make more videos related to any DSA questions or solving any DSA problem. And if you want any new things, then you can comment, and I will try to make videos on that. So thank you.